Hi everybody. Long time. Come back live after a really long time, and right back for our 2021 calendar release. And like you all know, we've been ready since a long time, but finally we've decided to launch the calendar. And is bar we are not doing a party. We are just doing like a release more on digital platform. And so the first picture is going to be unveiled today, and we're going to get Vidya live very soon. And she was, I think, one of the first people to shoot for the calendar, first or second person to shoot for the calendar, and she's the first one to unveil her calendar as well. So guys, we need all your love, all your blessings, all your good wishes to make this calendar a success. This is the first time we are releasing a calendar on a digital platform, so it's different for everybody. Times are different, but I'm very excited with the calendar because I think it's some of my best work, and I'm looking forward to hear all the reactions. Thank you everybody for all the love, all the wishes that are coming through. Thank you so much, really appreciate it, and very excited. And I can't wait to show you all the pictures. You all have seen as we were shooting, we kept posting the stories on whichever shots were done, and finally within the next few days you all will see all the pictures unveil, and you will see them out there. Hi everyone, lots of people joining us here today. Thank you for all your wishes, lots of love coming from all over the world, really appreciate it. So yeah, this calendar is my 22nd calendar in a row, and I love shooting for it. I think it's something that is an expression of my creativity. It gives us great freedom to kind of do whatever we want, and like you all know, it's a non-commercial calendar. We all do it purely for the love and for all the love that we get for the calendar and the response we get for the calendar. I'm just looking if Vidya has joined in. I don't want to miss because lots of requests coming in. So I'm just waiting for Vidya to join us, and it'll be incredible. Then we will unveil the shot and launch it. Waiting for Vidya, and we will unveil the picture right after that, after we have a chat with Vidya. So hi everyone. Oh lovely, so many people joining us. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And I've not even come live for a long time. I was just not feeling it, and I feel this time is the perfect way to come back live and unveil the calendar. This is my pet project. It's something which I completely love to do year after year, and it's something that keeps me very inspired, keeps me very excited. Hi Myra, good to have you here. Thank you. Manisha is going to join us soon as well. So people asking who else is in the calendar. I think you'll have to wait and watch, and like I said, in the next 1 week you will see the whole calendar out there. It's coming out in stages, so we're going to build the suspense. Today is the first unveiling, and really looking forward to it. I'm really excited. It feels like it's my first calendar. It feels like as if I'm so nervous to get the reactions out there, to see how people will react, how people will respond to the pictures. So I would love to see all your reactions and your messages. I read all my messages on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, and I will take your suggestions. I will see the reactions that I get for the pictures. So yes, everybody will be unveiling their pictures very soon. All the pictures will be coming out. The wait is worth waiting for, and the calendar is looking amazing. I'm really happy with the shots, and I thought this is the best time to bring it out there and show you all the lovely pictures that we've shot for the calendar. And I mean, all pictures are very different. All pictures are one is different from the other. There are great themes, there are great concepts, and I feel this is a calendar. This is one job that kind of keeps me, pushing myself, keeps me fired up, and it keeps me going. And Vidya's not come on live yet on the live. I'm really waiting for her to join in.
But I'm live here.
Oh my God! Seriously? Let me just get this on.
I kept trying to join you live, and the request wouldn't go through, so I decided to hop over and say hi.
How can it? This is the best live ever to have Vidya in the flesh, live right here.
Oh my God.
Tell them about our shot. Tell them about our...
Yes, our 14th shot together.
Yes.
And I'll never let Dabu forget that there was 1 year when he shot an all-male calendar. And I told him, I said, you'll be cursed if you do that again. No. I'm kidding. I didn't say that. But I'm so glad that after that he's only shot, he shot with everyone. And I've always said this, for me it's like a good luck charm. And we shot the calendar late last year. I was one of the first people to shoot for it. But then, unfortunately, all sorts of things have happened, the lockdown and everything. So we couldn't launch the calendar, but finally we are here. And congratulations, Dabu.
Thank you. I mean, it's been
I can't wait to get my hands on a copy, because I think this year's picture is very special.
Very special, and it's a different space. It's something completely different that we've never done before. I think that's what we do every year. We kind of push it to another level. We push ourselves to think differently every year, and I think we achieved it.
Yeah, absolutely. And this year it's outdoors.
It's outdoors, yes.
Because I think we were all dying to get out. And at that time of the year, thankfully things had opened up and people were stepping out and working and all, so we could do that shot. I hope you all like it. And sure I hope you all like mine the most amongst all the pictures.
They always do. I always get the best reactions for Vidya's pictures.
No, actually, I have to say that I'm so thrilled we are together. We're working.
Yeah.
So we decided that this is the best way to announce the launch of
the 2021 calendar.
Yeah. And good luck.
Thank you so much. It was lovely. And guys, today we'll be putting up the picture. Do watch out and let us know what you think of it.
And send us your love.
Send us all your love. In fact, the whole team is here who worked on the calendar. Let's get everybody, while we say hi to everyone over here.
Yeah. And everyone's going to run in now. And hi to everyone who's sending love and saying hi and saying all the best. Thank you. I think they've all gone to sleep while we are slaving away.
I'm really excited for this calendar. I think it's going to be something that people have been waiting for. It'll be a good relief to see some different pictures out there. And I've been waiting
you
to
said
put it
this
out
is
there.
your best so far?
I think so. Every year I say that. I think I keep pushing myself and try to outdo my previous work, so the competition becomes with yourself.
Quick. Let's take it behind. Everyone's in a mask, and because I'm in the middle of a shot, I'm not in a mask. Otherwise, hi, say hi everyone.
Aditi,
Harshal,
Pranay, Shaunak, the whole team is here. Come ahead and say hi everybody. Guys, watch out! We're coming 2021. Come ahead and say hi everybody. Come on.
I hope the launch of this calendar means that the rest of the year is going to be far better than the first half of the year. Fingers crossed.
Yes.
and we are already set to shoot 2022 calendar.
Love you guys.
Lots of love.
Lots of love, guys.
guys.
Thank you for coming.
Pranay, hide a little more. Okay, bye guys.
Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Super.
Great. And what's from behind him. Crazy, yaar,